In this video, I'm going to explain about operator precedence in Python. Hello everyone, my name is Damario Sujono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator. Welcome to tutorial Python for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to explain now about operator precedence. So what is operator precedence by definition? So operator precedence is an expression in Python, consists of variables, operators, values, etc. So when the Python interpreter encounters any expression containing several operations, all operators get evaluated according to an ordered hierarchy. And then I know one rule called PEMDAS, so we call it PEMDAS Rule. So PEMDAS Rule basically is precedence of operators is listed in a high to a lower manner. So let's say PEMDAS stands for parentheses, and then exponentiation, and then the multiplication, let's say, and then division, and then addition and subtraction. So let's say parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Alright, so these are the PEMDAS rule. Let's say, so in idea is whatever inside the bracket, we'll do that first, and then comes to exponentiation, and then multiplication, and so on and so on. I'll give you one of the example. Let's say I want to print some mathematical formula like print, let's say it's 2 plus open bracket 6 plus 6 then 1 plus 1, right, like this. So this is, I think this is a perfect example. We have exponentiation, and then we have addition, we have addition, also we have parentheses, we have exponentiation again, and addition. So write in the comment which one should calculate first. 1, 2, 3. All right, you're right. So the first thing, if we run the program, then Python will calculate first what is inside the bracket, inside the parentheses, which means that this will be 12, and then this will be 2. So we have 12 and 2. Then once we do that, the Python will calculate the exponentiation. So we have here 3 exponent 2 will be 9, and then 12 exponent 2 will be 144. So in the end, 9 plus 144 will equal to 153. Let's do that. See, right? So this is the idea, right? So yeah, that's basically the operator's precedence rule. Just remember that if you're talking about how Python works, focus on PEMDAS rule. So parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, that's it, guys, for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to click like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.